Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix Instagram login error on iPhone or Android. So the very first thing you should do if you encounter this kind of message or if this message pops up is you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of your Instagram application. So you just have to go to your Play Store or App Store, type Instagram, and then update. Now, after you have updated your Instagram application, you can now log into your device. Now, if you still encounter this message, then the next method is you have to go to Google web browser or any web browser. And then this time you have to ask if the Instagram application is going down today or what is the current status of Instagram application. Now, if you see here that there is a problem or Instagram application is not working well, then you have to wait for a couple of minutes or hours because you're not the one who's just encountering this problem. Okay, so it will be solved later once Instagram is okay. Aside from this, you can also do a speed test because maybe one of the reasons why I encounter this problem is that you have a poor internet connection. So if your internet connection is okay or if it's not, then what you're going to do is to restart your computer or connect it to your Wi-Fi or turn off your data, turn off your Wi-Fi and connect your data. That's it. Now the very last thing you should do is to clear cache or uninstall your Instagram application. Long press Instagram, go to app info, tap storage and usage, and then click clear cache. And then you go back, and if you still encounter the problem, now it's time to uninstall your Instagram by tapping uninstall. After you have uninstalled your Instagram application, go to Play Store and then install your Instagram application again. Or go to App Store if you're using iPhone. Launch the Instagram application and see if this method works. So I do really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.